Hi guys, welcome to my channel and to another DIY video of mine. So today I'm here to share with you how I made these extracts. Now these are extracts and also known as glycerites because they are extras that are dissolved in glycerin, and I wanted to share with you how I make these extracts. What I have here is ambunu extracts and also green tea extracts. If this is something you are interested in, definitely watch this video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe. So the ingredients I'm using here is my ambunu because I'm going to make ambunu extracts. And I'm beginning with ambunu. What I have here is my hot water and my ambunu. So I'm just going to be taking a little of the ambunu leaves. You can also use the ambunu powder if you have it, but I prefer to use the leaves instead of the powder. Now what you do is to make sure that you get the ambunu gel out of this, and if you don't know how to prepare this, it has to be in hot water. So this has to be hot water and you have to leave it for some time. Now I'm also making this side by side with the green tea extract, and the green tea I'm having here my tea bag with the green tea inside. You can just tear off the bag and use the green tea itself, or you can just do what I'm doing, like add hot water to the tea bags. Now this I am doing just to help me get the green tea extract, and I'm combining it to make it as concentrated as possible. You can even use 3 bags. I mean, it just has to be concentrated because we are going to make an extract out of this, so this does not have to be like really not concentrated. Now after some few minutes, this is what I have, and I know that the gel is ready. I'm just going to have to sieve it to get the gel itself. Now you have to use a cloth that is really like tight in order not to get some residues in your gel, and that is what you can see me doing now. This is just a simple procedure to make, and when you do this, it lasts for long. So I'm just trying to get the gel out of it. It could be hot, so you have to be careful. And this is what the gel looks like. You all know ambunu. If you don't know, ambunu has this very slippery texture, and that is what helps to detangle hair. It also provides moisturizing benefits for the hair. Now this is what I have, and I'm going to measure out my glycerin. Now glycerin is the humectant, and it is the major ingredient for this glycerites. So I'm going to measure about 70%. I'm not using a right measurement, but 3/4, like three quarters, 3/3 of this, 3/4 of this is what I have here, and that's the glycerite. So what I'm going to do is just top it up with my ambunu extract, and that is it. So I'm just going to top it up with the ambunu extract, and you can see that I'm not able to use all at a go. So this is how it looks like I have my ambunu extract at the top, and then the glycerites or the glycerin, sorry, below. What you have to do is to shake it for everything to be mixed up, and when it gets mixed up, it doesn't separate again. So I just wanted to show you the suspension before. So this is the glycerites that I have, and this is ambunu extract. Very potential, like very concentrated, and also very useful to use in your products. Now I also have here my green tea, which is already dissolved, or it's already in it. I also measure the same amount of the glycerin that I measured for the ambunu, and this is just to say that you have to use like 70% or 75% of glycerin, and then 20% or 25% of the extract. So that is what I'm doing here. If you use less, I cannot guarantee this as the self-preserving nature of this. It can't be self-preserving if you don't use the high amount of glycerin. So after this, I also shake it, and this is what I have. So this is my green tea extract, and this is very beneficial. It has the potential benefits of your normal green tea that you put in your hair, and this is also ambunu extract that gives you the benefits of ambunu. So guys, this is it. Thanks a lot for watching, and Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give it a thumbs up and also to subscribe. I'll see you same time in my next video. Until then, as always, bye.